Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make support much easier to remove in Bambu Studio. So by adjusting just a few support settings, you can reduce the scaling and you can also remove the supports with much less efforts. So here is how you can do it. First of all, simply launch your Bambu Studio application. Afterwards, you need to load your model, something like this. Now over here under the prepare tab, you need to simply hover over to the left hand side, then click on the option of global. Now over here in the processes, when the global is selected among the given options, simply select the option of support. Now over here when you are inside the support, you will see that the enable support option is in check. So over here I want you to just simply scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the option of top Z distance. So this setting is going to control the gap between the support and your model. So for 0.4 mm nozzle, a value of 0.2 mm works well for most of the PLA prints. A slightly larger gap makes the supports much easier to remove while still supporting the model properly. So you can basically make changes into it. So currently 0.2 mm is selected, so I'm going to keep it as it is. But if in your case the value is different, you can just simply make changes into it. Afterwards, you need to scroll down further and look for the option of support base pattern spacing, or it is also with the name support density. So for most of the prints, a support density of around 10 to 15% is going to provide enough support while making the supports easier to break away after printing. So you can also take a look at the option of support interface. If it isn't already, then you can just simply set the interface layer to 2 or 3. So this creates a smoother contact layer between the support and the model, improving the surface quality while allowing the supports to separate cleanly. So you will find all of these options over here in this particular section only. So after applying all of these supports changes, you can just simply click on the option of slice plate and check the preview tab in order to make sure that the supports look correct before printing. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.